Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel. We just got out guys from our room, from our hotel, and now we are at the restaurant to have breakfast, brunch actually. After here, we're going to the beach. The weather here, the weather
So the beach is right there, and we're here at this restaurant, right? All the seating's outside, and we're right around the corner from our hotel. And the beach is beautiful, and we'll be out there later today.
So here's the beach, guys. Behind that,
The dunes.
misty-
The dunes.
Oh, the dunes. The dunes.
Grassy, misty.
So later, guys, we're going to the beach, and after here, guys. By the way, after here, we're going to grocery market
Yes.
to get some supplies.
White because the kids will eat it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. That was hard.
That was darn near painful.
My tongue and cheek.
The girls. So okay, guys. We will see you guys again in a bit. Okay. Stay tuned. Bye. Sorry, you're all ready. So we are going to the beach now, guys. So we will see you guys again in a bit. Okay. We're still preparing, getting all the boogie board, the chair, and there is a person in the air. So that's the beach, guys. See that? So behind that dunes. Oh, that's the beach.
This thing is better for me because this is plastic, so it won't go.
So we got the girls boogie board last night. Yeah, I hope the water is not cold. It's a little bit. It's a little bit overcast, but it's perfect. We don't need tent or umbrella. All we need to do is find a good location, and for the first time, guys, we don't have beach toys. So I guess our girls are getting old now for that toys. So now they're moved up to boogie board.
We usually have like an entire garbage can full
Full of toys.
packets.
And now, look at them. And Story and Mia and my husband looks like husband. I love you. Oh. Trying to find a good spot. A lot of people here, but not crowded. Not here. Yeah, here, honey. So, I think we found a good spot, guys. I'll see you guys again in a bit, okay? Are you ready? Just stay close, okay? Ma'am? Okay, guys, come here first. Come here, both of you. Stay close, not too far, okay? The waves are a bit bigger, so please be careful. Oh my God, maiwan na guys ang bibig ko sa magkapatid. This is our first time guys to come here in this beach, and it's beautiful, it's clean. Guys, the waves here are big. I'm going to mute this because of the music. Begging me to join them. So anyway, okay guys, guys, welcome back. I think 20 minutes ago the girls came back from the water, and then Mia was complaining her ankle got hurt.
But she did get, you call it yard sale, when they spread. She was like tumbling in a big way.
Aww. So she was complaining, but look at her. After a couple minutes, she just ate snacks and then went back to the water. And until now, alone. So it's just like a mermaid. Sorry, it's over there. I think ready to go to sleep. Oh my gosh, guys, the waves here are like, it's so intimidating.
12 feet.
Oh, 12 feet?
Yeah, 12, they get definitely significantly over my head.
This, I was scared, guys.
But they're not scary 12 feet because it's so flat that you get to ride the wave in a long time up in the Northeast. When you get a wave that big, it just picks you up and slams you onto the shoreline.
But still, guys, for me, it doesn't matter. Waves are waves. I'm
glad your daughters love the water and the fish.
I am really glad that our girls love water, love to swim. Yep.
We get so much enjoyment being out there doing that stuff.
And I came back here, guys, because our GoPro ran out of battery. I have 2 batteries, but both of them were empty. So I'm charging it right now because the girls wants to play with it. Well,
Because exclusive boogie board shots. I failed to do one, and you guys will come with me into the deep, deep waters of the sea. And then Mia got one. That was nice.
yeah.
But the good part was that Nori came back out to the water
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
and I come out. I think someone stole all our stuff. Right? And I'm like, what? Right, so I come running back up here and it's like nothing. Everything is completely fine. Right? And then she comes back and she had gotten lost and she was like looking around for our stuff, right? Our whole setup. And she was like 30 yards to the right.
It's a stick. It's a stick
right
over there.
And she thought it was next to that, but we're like 24 yards further.
I'm like, oh my gosh, guys, my heartbeat was pumping really hard and fast.
Honey,
Like I was.
honey, don't freak out, but they stole all our stuff. They stole it. Don't freak out.
And you know what, guys? The first thing came up to my mind was all the videos in my phone.
That's pretty sad.
Because guys, okay, because I didn't bring my wallet and my husband didn't
At
bring.
least they would be able to get the iPhone 11.
They bring his wallet too, so that's why. Okay, I'm not worried. At least I'm praying that I was just wrong. That's so funny. It's like at the same time I was so embarrassed.
She doesn't get embarrassed with me though. So she's fine with being crazy around me. And now you get to join in.
So that's the highlight of our day today, guys. So I think we're going back to the water.
Mia wants me to come.
And once our battery at least have full charge, or better if it's full charge,
I'm taking a break for a little bit.
because they wanna use the GoPro while boogie boarding. So okay, guys, I will see you guys again in a bit. Okay. The waves here, guys, are big. It's so intimidating. Oh! Whoa! It's a little bit chilly now. Whoa! That's the way it is. guys because it's cold. You're not in the water. Oh my god, that's big. girl's giving me heart attack. Mia, but she's been complaining. Her eyes are red and her cheeks are red. But she doesn't want to go home yet. Oh my goodness. Finally, the girls are getting off the water now. Are you guys done?
Yeah.
Finally.
We had a really big wave that was like this. It just literally dropped in midair, like. So you were like, just like gliding and.
Big wind did. And then the wave pushes you. Some of the bigger waves I've been in my life, and here they are, little tiny waves.
Okay, guys. This is our day
Day one
one.
at the beach.
Day one at Cape May. So anyway, guys, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for everything, and have a good night. So we will see you guys again tomorrow. Okay? Bye.